Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Today I'm going to present my final presentation for web-based food bank system. My name is Nurul Dayini Athilah binti Abdul Malik and my supervisor is Miss Anis Afikah binti Sharif.
Food waste is a disturbing problem in highly populated countries such as Malaysia. Food waste is an indicator not only of starvation or pollution, but also of various economic problems. The high standard of living has resulted in the wastage of food because of quick changes in habits and lifestyle. Instead of wasting these things, it can be put in a use by donating them to various organizations such as orphanages, old age homes, etc. In Malaysia, several food aids programs have been actively involved in food donation for people in need. Pertiwi's organization is one of the food aids programs and has provided different forms of support since its establishment on November 17, 1967. Pertiwi initiated its mobile kitchen soup project to supply free meals to the homeless and poor to enhance its reach throughout the community. In the current business process, the public or corporations that would like to donate any type of surplus food, they will need to give the details on what they want to donate through the email. Sometimes, Pertiwi's organization will do a food donation campaign frequently by listing out the targeted foods to donate foods in a larger scale. Based on the business process stated, there are several problems that can be identified. The first problem statement is, it is tedious for the donor to donate foods by informing it through email. The solution provided is a platform where the system will allow the user to donate foods through the system. Next, most food campaign does not achieve required food from food donation as the donation could not to be keep tracked. The suggestion solution is to keep track and update the status of the current quantity of foods for each campaign in the system. This is the use case for the proposed web-based food bank system. Some of the use cases that are solving the current problem is the use case of donate food where the donor can donate food directly through the system. Next is the use case of view and update campaign where the staff can keep track the status of current quantity of food donation. This is also will allow the donors to know what food is required at that moment.
Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate my system. First, we will log in as a staff, and this is the dashboard for the staff. It has the total staff, the total donors, the campaign held, and the total of donation. This is the pending donation made from registered organization. So we'll now go to the list of employees, and we will demo the use case of registration account. Okay, now it's successfully registered. This is the new account, and it can be updated. We try to change the phone number. Okay, so now it has been updated. Okay, now we'll go to the list of donors. This is the registered donors made by the admin. Only admin can register the donor. You need to insert their registration number, or known as SSM. Okay, it has been registered. The admin can update the details of the donor. And now it has been successfully updated. Okay, now we'll go to list of foods. This is the food that has been registered and the current quantity of the food. The admin or staff can create new food. This is we need to insert the current quantity of the food. Now food has been created. This is the list of donation made by the registered donors. This is the status of their donation, and if they have delivered the foods, it can be updated, and the quantity of the food will be added to the stock. This is a campaign page. It shows a upcoming campaign and past campaign. The status of required food will be shown as in not sufficient or sufficient. And now we will be logged in as a donor to donate the insufficient food. This is the dashboard for donors. It has total donation, total donated food, and top donated food. The upcoming campaign is shown in the dashboard, and the status of required food is also displayed. And now we will do the donation food use case. This is their preferred delivery time. So you try to donate the insufficient food. And then click submit. So the donation has been created, and the status is still pending as it has not been delivered yet. Now we'll go to admin side. It showed the pending donation from the Tesco just now, and we will update the delivery. We will assume it has been reached their food to the TV's organization. So if they update the deliver attributes, it will be added to the current stock of quantity. And for the campaign, the status is now the food for campaign is sufficient to be distributed. And if the campaign has been completed, the food will be deducted in food inventory. This is the proof that it has been deducted. I'm sorry. So that's all. Thank you.